There can be several reasons Spotify is not working on PC or phone. So in this video I am going to give you the best fixes which you can try out. First thing, you can type in down detector on Google and open this website downdetector.in. Herein you can type Spotify. You can see the result users report that indicate that no current problems at Spotify. So it means there is no currently bug going on or there is no server down on Spotify. Second thing is that sometimes background apps also causes issues, so you can open task manager and remove the unused apps which are causing the problem. Like for example, there are some apps which are not useful, so you can select them and task them from taskbar and then try to use Spotify again. Third method is to clear Spotify's app data. So simply press Windows R and herein you need to press percentage local app data percentage and click this. Herein you need to find Spotify and delete that application because this is app data and it is not useful. If you do not find local cache in this folder, then you can go to packages and therein you can find Spotify cache and then you can delete it. The playback issue sometimes occurs because of audio settings as well. So you need to open a Spotify app in your PC. Now click on your profile and click on settings. Scroll down and look for audio. Herein you can see this is audio quality. This option normalize volume, this is turned off. You need to turn it on. That's it. You just need to turn it on and it will automatically save the settings. Step is to update Spotify. Open Spotify in your system and click this option 3 dots, click on help and click on about Spotify. Herein you can see the version of your Spotify. If you have an old version, you will get an option to update from here, so make sure to update it to the latest version. In your phone, first of all you need to click on this Spotify app. At the top you can see settings, just click on this, scroll down and you need to look for this storage option. Under storage you can see this clear cache. Click on this clear cache and again click on clear cache, and that's it. All cache will be removed on Spotify in your phone. The next step is to allow Spotify through Windows Firewall. So you need to click control panel, go to control panel, click on system and security. Under Windows Defender Firewall, click on this option allow an app through Windows Firewall. Herein you need to click on change settings. Now search Spotify here. So this is Spotify music. You can see I have checked this and checked this and this as well. If you do not find Spotify here, you can find from here allow another app. I have and you can simply search the path from here, browse your path. So simply allow both of them and click on OK. Make sure to check the device storage as well, because Spotify is an audio streaming platform, which means that it requires some space. Like for example, it requires minimum 250 MB cache to process the online streaming. So check the storage, and if you have unwanted files, then delete them. The last option is to uninstall Spotify. You can go to control panel and you can simply uninstall Spotify and reinstall it from the official website of Spotify. After doing all this process, you need to restart your PC and check whether it is working for you or not. If you still face any problem, you can simply comment below and I will definitely give you reply. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.